8,000 subscribers. This is the giveaway time. Eight people that commented in the last video is going to get one of our 3 merchandise. We got a patch, we got a hat, also in gray as well, your choice, and of course the infamous or famous, I don't know what it's called, you'll probably see them in Goodwill next year, the Butler Customs t-shirts. Now for the grand prize winner, since it is getting close to winter time, we're going to give you a hoodie. Oh, they are nice and soft. Some of you bought our hoodies in the past and you've reached out to me and said, hey man, these are really nice hoodies. Well, yeah. So the grand prize winner will get a hoodie. Now, if you don't want a hoodie, you'd rather have a hat or shirt or patch, that's fine too. 8 winners. And I have this to say. We're filming this today on a Tuesday and we just hit 9,000 subscribers. So we're going to be turning around and doing a 9,000 subscriber announcement. But let's waste no time. Let's get to it. So my wonderful wife has spent hours putting everybody's name into this little spinning wheel thing. And if you don't do it just right, it erases them all and you have to start all over. She really needs her own trophy or bacon sandwich or something. I don't know. I'll give you a kiss later. How's that? She said yes. All right. Now, in doing this, I have had an amazing day today. Not only did we hit 9,000 subscribers, not only are we doing the 8K giveaway in merch, we're getting really close to our 10K giveaway on our bike. That's coming together really well. And I picked up a new shop project that is probably the rarest bike I've ever had in. Now, our members will get a glimpse of that today, Tuesday, and then hopefully here in a couple weeks, maybe next month, you'll see it on the lift and we'll start digging into it, getting it back on the road. And I hope to see it because it's so rare. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if to keep it because it only is going to go up in value, or if we give it to a museum. Yeah, that's how rare it is. To give you a hint, they only made 810 of these in the 80s. Super rare bike. I can't wait to show you it. But you members are going to see it or have already seen it. So let's get to it. The first winner of our 8K giveaway is... I don't hear it spinning. Chris Newton 09K, congratulations, you're one of our winners. Reach out to me in my email. It's right here below, butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com. Reach out to me with your username and I'll be sure to get your address and what you like. Now also, we've had some issue with some scammers trying to reach out and say, hey, I won, but I don't want a patch, just cash out me. I live in Indonesia. Okay, listen, if I run into an issue like that, I will reach back out to you personally in the comments in the 8K video with a special code you can put in the comments so I can verify it's you, okay? So we will make sure your merchandise gets to you. Winner number 2, and I didn't hear the spinny thing. Oh, there we go. Didn't do it on the first one, did it? Norseman 95, congratulations. That's our second winner. Please reach out to me via email. All right, our third winner. Manny 1470, congratulations. You're our third winner of our merchandise, either a patch, a shirt, or a hat. Our fourth winner, Road 666-R40. You're our fourth winner. Congratulations. Oh, be careful. Our fifth winner, Jenny Shovel 7083. Congratulations, you're our fifth winner in our 8K giveaway. Our sixth winner, Cody Hitchcock. Congratulations to you. You're our fifth winner, or sixth winner. All right, our seventh winner is Andy Logsden 5570. Congratulations, you're our seventh winner. Now for the eighth winner, you can get a hoodie, I'm offering that to you, or a hat, a shirt, or a patch, your choice. And it is our last winner, and our grand prize winner, Hossman 78. Congratulations to you. For all of you that have won, please email me at butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com. So we had 116 people enter. So that's pretty good odds, 8 out of 116. So for those of you that have won, congratulations to you. For those that didn't, looks like we'll be doing another one, a 9K one next week. Then our 10K is our bike giveaway. We're going to make it very simple, free to enter. You don't have to buy any merch from me, none of that nonsense. This is our time to give back to you guys for hitting a monumental milestone in our channel. Then after that, who knows what we're going to do? Maybe a 25K big thing, or maybe a 50K big thing. I don't know. I've never dreamed that far. I really didn't think we'd ever make it this far, but you folks have been so supportive of me and my family, and especially what we do here in the shop. So tell your mama now I said hi.